In this video, we are making Elvis Presley's favorite pound cake. Friends, this is kind of not for the faint of heart. It contains 7 eggs, half pound of butter, and a cup of heavy cream, but it is worth every single calorie. So let's bake some up. For this pound cake, you will need 2 sticks or 1 cup unsalted butter softened, 3 cups of cake flour that has been sifted twice, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3 cups granulated sugar, 7 large eggs at room temperature, a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 cup heavy cream. To make this pound cake, you're going to begin by sifting your flour and your salt together 2 times. Next, you're going to beat your butter and your sugar in a large bowl with an electric mixer at medium to high speed. You will beat until it's pale and fluffy. If you're using a stand mixer, mix for 5 minutes. If you're using a handheld mixer, mix 6 to 8 minutes. Next, you'll add your eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then beating your vanilla. Next, reduce the speed on your mixer to low and add half of your flour mixture. Then add all the cream. Then add the remaining flour mixture. Mix well after each addition. Then scrape down the side of your bowl and beat at medium to high speed for 5 minutes. Your batter is going to become creamier and satiny. Then spoon your batter into a well-greased and floured 10-inch tube pan that does not have a removable bottom, or a 10-inch bun pan. Wrap the pan against the surface 1 or 2 times to eliminate air bubbles. Place the cake in a cold oven. Turn the oven temperature to 350. You'll bake the cake 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes until the cake is golden. When you get the cake out of the oven, let it cool in the pan on a rack for 30 minutes. Run a knife around the inner and outer edges. Then invert the cake onto the rack and let it cool completely. Friends, just look at this beautiful cake. When you eat this pound cake, you can't help but fall in love with it. It's always going to be on your mind. So enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.
So good.